This is a real ad for my real app. I didn't film it, I didn't write the copy, and I didn't hire anyone. Claude wrote the brief. Seedance made the video, and I'm going to show you the full chain right now. One client, 1 month, 4 figures. No camera. And here's exactly how. Here's the thing nobody tells you in AI video tutorials. You are not going to get it right the first time. Sometimes it takes 5 or 6 generations before you get the one. And that's not a problem. That's the business model. Brands don't pay you to generate a video. They pay you to keep going until you get the one, the right one. So they don't have to. The iteration is the skill. That's what you're charging for. Now, I'm going to show you the exact Claude and Seedance 2.0 workflow that I use for agency clients and to build launch content for my own app, start to finish, live right now. So make sure you drop your favorite emoji in the comments and let's get started. So quick context, I did UGC for about 2.5 years and then I added AI. And within the first month, I added a 5-figure retainer client and I made over $20,000 with one client alone. And the one tool that I've been using to streamline everything has been Seedance 2.0 on TopView.ai. Now I was on it before most platforms even had access and I was already making money on it. So I'm gonna tell you a little secret. Right now, I'm building something and it's called Phocus, Phocused, Focus with a PH. It's an app for people with ADHD, focus issues, or anyone who keeps starting and not finishing. I have ADHD and I built this because I am the customer. And today, Focus is our live example. But today, every single step that you're about to see works the same for a client's product or your own product. So let's go. First, I'm gonna tell you 2 ways to make money with this. So you can pick your lane. Lane 1 is client work. You deliver a 15 to 60 second AI video, a social media ad, a YouTube pre-roll, single deliverable, $9.97. Or you can choose something like 2 or 3 variations and you can offer vertical and horizontal and offer it as a package for $2,500. Lane 2 is your own product or an affiliate product. It's the same workflow. You keep everything that it generates. It drives traffic to whatever you're building. And I'm in lane 2 today with Focus. So the same steps if you're in lane 1 or even if you're doing an affiliate product. So open your LLM and I'm going to use Claude for this. Number 1, what's the product? It's called Focus. It's an ADHD focus app. 2, who's it for? People with ADHD, focus issues, or anyone who just keeps starting over. Number 3, what's the one feeling that you want them to walk away with? Relief. I want them to have relief. Number 4, what action do you want them to take after they see the ad? I just want them to click the link and go to getfocused.com. And number 5, what's the vibe? What do you want it to feel like? What do you want it to look like? Non-salesy, grounded, relatable, and that's it. So now I gave that to Claude and you write the brief with Seedance 2.0. Now I tell Claude, use this brief to write a Seedance 2.0 video generation prompt for TopView.ai. Keep it visual, specific, and emotional. Make it 15 to 30 seconds and let's watch what comes back. All right, so Claude has just translated your information into the exact visual language Seedance needs. You just needed to know your product. So copy that prompt and we're gonna head over to the link in the description to TopView.ai. One of the reasons I use it because it has the most affordable access to Seedance 2.0 that I have found. Inside of the Agent AI video section, select Seedance 2.0, Fast or Premium, pick your aspect ratio, vertical for shorts and reels, horizontal for YouTube ads, and set your duration. Then set your resolution, free or the unlimited version, or the fast version, which uses credits. And if you're just testing, go ahead and use the free unlimited version. But if you're producing content for clients, I'm gonna say, go ahead and go with that fast. Then hit generate. Now I want you to watch and see what happens next because this is where most tutorials cut away and pretend that it was just perfect. But I'm not gonna do that because it's not perfect. You don't always get a perfect result. And as you see here, there's some little mistakes and nuances that we're gonna have to run again. And I'm gonna do it a few more times off camera. And if I have to, I'll go back to Claude and rework it as well. So there it is. So now you can see the difference. And I want you to sit with this for a second. I just generated that 3 or maybe 4 times, and that's completely normal. That's iteration. That's the skills that companies are paying for. They're running a business. They don't have time to learn this. You do. And that's why It's a win-win. Now, let me help you step things up just a bit. Here's a step that most people skip, and it's the reason why some AI videos just don't convert. For the Focused app, I'm laying a voiceover for the video. If your brain won't let you stay on track, this is made for you. GetFocused.com. That's it. And that's the human fingerprint. For client work, it may be their spokesperson's voice, a brand text overlay, or a before and after cut. Whatever it is, you're adding that editorial layer. AI can't generate. AI builds the scene. You bring the perspective. That's what you're charging for. You see, some people say, oh, this is so simple, it seems like, and anyone can do it. But I'm not sure if you've ever heard of the story of the woman with the creaky deck. And she hired someone and she paid him $500 to put in a 49-cent nail. Now, the reason why she paid that $500 happily, even though the nail was 49 cents, was because the carpenter knew exactly where to put it. That's the same advantage that you have. So don't ever think that what you're doing is not valuable, because here's what I had to learn myself, and I need for you to hear it. Brands are not checking your subscriber account. They want to know, does it look good? Does it convert? And the answer is yes and yes. And I built this without a big audience. One client, first month, 5 figures. Then I scaled from there. You don't need a following. You need the workflow that you're watching right now and the confidence and the consistency to keep on moving. And if client work isn't your thing, this is how you launch the content for your own product without a single day of filming, or for an affiliate product. Let me just tell you, I'm going to have a full Focus ad campaign ready for launch before I'm even completely done building it. Now, that's the advantage. Now, if you're like me, some of you want the whole model, not just a video, not just one client. You want more of the details, and you want to know exactly how to scale. Now, that's where I'm going in deep. I'm building a system. Make sure you click the link in the description to get access. It's a full business model, not just random one-off information or just another unneeded course. You just watch me build a real ad for a real app using 2 AI tools and 0 cameras. There's 3 links in the description, and I want you to use all 3. TopView.ai. Start your first generation today. Then click on getfocused.com. And if you struggle with focus or ADHD, or if you just keep starting and stopping and you're ready to keep going, join us. Get on the waiting list and or sign up to be a beta tester, or just hang along for the ride. And lastly, make sure you join the Grow newsletter. That's where I get all of your feedback, and I also give you plenty of extra tools that you don't get here. Make sure you put your favorite emoji in the comments, and if you want to know how to pitch this to clients and what to say when they ask, wait, did AI make this? Make sure you subscribe, and you already know, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.